Welcome to the first ever Knot and Wedding Wire Pro experience here in Portland, Oregon. Thank you guys so much for coming. This event that's really designed for you guys, for every wedding professional to learn a little bit about everything that we study constantly.
Let's talk about getting really niche. So the more tuned in to exactly the type of clients that you want to work for, you're going to make way more money.
When you start out, you think that you have to take every client. They say, well, so-and-so will charge this price, will you come down to this price? When you give a client that much leeway, they expect it. You've set a precedent for the rest of the planning process.
So your goal with the initial inquiry response is not to book them, it is to get them on the phone so that you can form a connection, identify where they're at in their journey, and you can uncover all of those needs.
When you're figuring out your business and what your plan is, if you're going to grow it to the point where you're going to have lots of other people working for you, don't make the business all about yourself. Don't have yourself do every event, because if you do, then the whole brand and the business becomes you, and the demand is only for you.
Let's say they're in the shop and they come in with this budget. You show her what she's going to get in that price point, and then you say, look, I have a dress. It's exactly what you're asking for, but it's outside your budget. Can I bring it to you? It's her choice at the end of the day if she wants to try it on. You're not forcing her to do it, but at least you're educating her on everything and options for her.
Have any of you felt burnt out? Just being burned out? For me, like around October, I'm like, oh my goodness, can this please be over? I am tired. So we want positive reviews. When we get those positive reviews, it allows us to become excited again in this industry.
Like, we are all in this together, and it is a very emotional industry, and our clients are sometimes crazy, and we need to have each other.